Hello everybody, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to use the valet mode in the 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. So what we're going to do is just come over here to our infotainment screen, hit this home button right here, and then select settings, and then we're going to go to vehicle settings, and then valet mode you see right here. Alright, so super easy, just press a 4-digit code, and it can be a different code every time you get in the vehicle, and you're going to need to put that code in twice and then hit lock. So what that does is it locks down the entire radio system, so a valet driver cannot access any of your personal information in the infotainment center. Then you also have a locking glove box, so with that valet mode on, it locks the glove box so you can put any valuables that you may have in there while you're eating dinner or checking out a show. And then once you get back in the vehicle, hit that 4-digit code one more time and hit unlock. So there it is, guys, the valet mode in the 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. Come see us here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.